That's another Pro Shield one. I thought I'd make this film as a bit of social history, because in 100 years' time we may not have cars. We certainly won't have Jaguar X Types. So I've opted for the Pro Shield polymer sealant for advanced paint protection and finish. Now with alloy foam bar. Was £10, £2 off. Bargain. Now I'm having this done because I'm going to sell the car. I've had it 5 years. I've done a lot of work on this. I've done a lot of YouTube videos. I've had a lot of fun in it. I've done about 30,000 miles in that time. I really like this car, but it's time to move on. I'm going over to all electric. I'm getting a Nissan Leaf 2018. I can't afford the petrol. So this car is 17 years old. It's manufactured in January 2001. 12 months MOT. It's got 4 brand new tyres with less than 200 miles on them. It's got a brand new battery with less than 30 miles on it. Brand new auxiliary belt. I've just had to put some drop links on it. And over the 5 years that I've had this car, I've virtually replaced most of it. All the rear suspension, shocks, top link, bottom link, drop links, ARB bushes, rear discs, rear pads, handbrake cables, front discs, front pads. The front suspension hasn't actually had much work done to it actually. That's been pretty reliable. It's had a brand new windscreen because it got hit by a stone. It's got new windscreen wipers. It's got new headlights. I've changed the engine oil, the gearbox oil, the differential oil, the transfer box oil, which is the real performance. Now we're going into the Disney Underworld marine life experience with the jellyfish tentacles. Sounds like it's beating your car up. Now I've always found with all of these car washes that they never wash behind the ears. They never actually get that little bit that's just under the wing mirrors. Other things I've done in this car is I've cleaned the interior with Renault Pure. I've repaired all the door cards that rattled with polymorph. I've installed folding rear seats. I've changed the fuel pump, which means there's now an access port under the rear seat. I've installed reversing sensors because this car didn't come fitted with them. I've changed the gear stick gaiter for a nice new leather one, Italian leather. Now this is the bit in the car wash where you wonder, is it actually going to rise automatically? I think at the moment I'm getting sprayed with Pro Shield, which makes the paint resistant to dirt and water, and in general that lasts about 6 months. One of the jobs I've done on this car is I've polished the headlights so that they were past MOT and they're really clean. I've changed the fuel filter, I've changed the air filter. Both sills have been extensively welded over the last 5 years. There's probably no original sill left by now. That bit's the most satisfying bit of it, actually. It's a very peculiar feeling with these great tendrils lashing the car. Go on green or when windscreen is level with this box. That's it. Give us the green. Around the corner. Gently scrub the brakes. Give it a wipe and we're all lovely. Well worth £8.